Good morning, good morning. Here we are, what a day yesterday. So for those who are on the stream, so we took a sell first thing in the morning and I took a loss, actually held the trade because of what we done Friday. We didn't follow the rules. We hit the 1400 stop. So that gave me under $600 to play with for the day. But what we done, we took a sell opportunity again. We recovered 1,000, so we were only 400 down. I thought, fantastic, here we go. Took another opportunity, lost 600. So really, it's just back to square one, So yes, we were back down to, I think it was down to 1,000. Took a sell, hit 960, and then we took a buy-in opportunity and we hit 1120. So yeah, what a day yesterday. So we started off, we were down $1,400 and we actually recovered with $2,400. So I'd probably say more luck than skill, but I'm quite grateful for that. So we were up $1,000 yesterday. So yeah, we're 33% through the challenge. So I'm just going to share the dashboard for you now. So just looking at the dashboard, so yeah, we got a high of 51k, currently at 51k. Our best day, yeah, was $1,000, but we can see here on the equity chart, just shows 50 at 51. It doesn't really show how close we were to stopping out. Like I said, we were $1,400 down starting off the day. Wasn't a great start, but a bit of perseverance and a bit of luck, I think. Yeah, we managed to recover 1,400 down to 1,000 in profit. So yeah, that was great, fantastic. So I'm hoping for a better start this morning. I've the last two streams been two trades, both have hit stop loss. So let's hope this morning we can get off to a winning trade. I have to leave at 7 o'clock today. I have to catch a train. I got to be in the capital. I got a meeting. So yeah, 7 o'clock I'll be ending the stream, and I'm just hoping we can get a good trade by then. So let's quickly run through yesterday, shall we, while we wait for a trade. So I took the sell here. You can see, it hit our rules. Yeah, we had a sell flag. The price opened below the hike and actually we took the sell. And you can see then the price just literally smashed through where our stop loss should have been. Held the trade because of what we saw Friday with the price reversal. And yeah, it took me out at about $1,400 here. What we done next, we formed this point of interest here, or this resistance level. I actually jumped in the trade around here. We actually took that trade then all the way down where we took about $1,000 out. So the next trade then we took here, we took another sell, this opportunity, and finally yesterday then the recovery trade, I think it's about $1,100. I know Mandela was actually on with me. I think it's around 2:30 p.m. Quick little time. Yeah, it was around here. We took a buy here. And we actually took a take profit. I think it's about $1,100 here. So we had a full recovery yesterday. So in total, we hit 2,400, but we started off 1,400 negative. So it's a terrible start to the day yesterday. And actually, one of my 50k accounts, we actually blew that account. We didn't have the £2,000 drawdown available. So we're still here. We're still trading. We've still got one of the 50k accounts, and what I'd be looking for this morning potentially is we're looking to go long. We're hitting resistance level here, expect us to bounce off this. Remember, we traded the M5, so support and resistance, they're not that strong. Okay, not going to be different. Who's on the M30 or the H1 chart. So potentially we could see a reversal here, and we've got a lot of what I call wiggle room up to the supply level here. So next trade potentially I'll be looking at will be a buy. Okay, as always, I'm going to enjoy my coffee and put myself on mute, and we're going to wait for the price to come to us. Good morning. Yeah, just marked up on the chart. There was a nice selling opportunity presented itself around 4:10 this morning. So yeah, it's another opportunity we've missed here. Nice one-to-one trade. Yeah, would have had a nice take profit on that. But yeah, 4:10, a little bit early for myself. 6 o'clock's a struggle. For myself, we just push in lower lows on the Asian session at the moment. Yeah, I don't see any opportunities to take a trade. And like I said, my time's quite limited today. I have to call it today. It's 7 a.m. no matter what. So potentially I won't be getting any trades off today, which is a shame. Yeah, I've got back-to-back meetings, yeah, all day. So like I said, I need to be in the capital of Wales by around 8:30 today. So I've got an early start. Need to jump on that train. But yeah, that would be a nice selling opportunity there. While we're here, just do a little bit of back testing. So it'll be a buying opportunity here. And yeah, there would have been another take profit. This year would have been a loss. And here as well would have been a loss as well. But what I'm looking for is, I'm looking for a buy around here. But I won't be looking to take that buy until we get the flag comes in and then we get a clear break above the Heikin-Ashi level. The only thing I am liking this morning is, as I say, we have a lot of wiggle room between the support here and resistance. So we do have some room for the price to move. But it just looks like it's going to be a slow morning. We're not going to get that buy in time. So yeah, I can't see us getting a trade off today, which is a shame, because we had a disastrous start to the day yesterday. Made a fantastic recovery. Quite happy with that. And yeah, it would have been nice to finish today strong. But yeah, we'll just patiently wait, and we'll see if anything comes to us. Mandela should be joining us in a few minutes. He's going to run through some of the news for the week. And then we'll wrap the show up around 7 o'clock and be back again tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Just been messing around with the chart, just looking at session high lows. I'm just looking for an indicator that I can use for the Asian high, Asian low. So if anyone does know a good indicator I can use, if you can just drop it into the chat or into the comments for me, I'll take a look. waiting for Mandela to join us. He shouldn't be too long. I'm hoping he can run through the news. So, Mandela, when you're ready. Yeah, no sign of him yet. But what I would recommend was he done an opening US Open yesterday. So he'd done a show on a channel. And for those who want to watch, it was a show that was titled Columbus Day. So it's the pre-market show where he runs through some of his trade setups. Definitely worth a watch. And let me just see if I can share that with you. So there we are, guys. Yeah, if you want to pop over to our YouTube channel, so it's Signature FX, and you can see we got our shows. So we got today's trading show. We got a show yesterday that's hosted by Mandela, pre-market show for Columbus Day. And we've actually got some snippets of the recovery yesterday. So we got a part 3, we got a part 2, and we got our original 6 a.m. show. But the Columbus show, definitely worth a watch. Yeah, Mandela went through some really good setups, of him trading the Asian high, Asian low, and yeah, we had a quick good chat about that, where to drop in your fib levels, etc. So if you got time, yeah, pop over to the channel, which is Signature FX, and you can catch up on the Columbus Day pre-market show from yesterday. And talk of Mandela, good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. Good morning. How are you this morning?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm all right. A little bit tired as always, but no, I'm good at this time of the day. I've already run through some of the exploits of yesterday, where we hit a 1400 stop on our first trade. I broke my own rules, but with a bit of positive thinking, a bit of prayers and a bit of luck, how we recovered 2,400 yesterday. So we finished the day $1,000 favorable. So yeah, quite happy with that. But yeah, it was a eventful start of the week.
It's well done. It's very well done that you were able to get back in, reassess the situation, and then you ended up green for the day.
So yet again, I sort of jumped in a trade maybe too early. Should have set a more conservative stop loss, which I didn't. It played out. It was the Friday playbook, right? We seen the sell opportunity, but then the price just retested that Asian high, just broke it, and then we got that push down. But I think the last trade we actually recovered with a long position. I think you and I were chatting just quickly after the Columbus Day video you done yesterday. And then we went into that take profit.
Yeah, that was a great move, great opportunity. I believe you caught it both ways. So you caught it on the way down, and then you also caught it on the way back up.
Yeah. So yeah, thank goodness for that, right? So yeah, happy with that. Doesn't tell the true tale because I was 1,400 down. I only had $600, to wiggle with. Otherwise, the 50k account would have been liquidated. So yeah, we caught us 2 big moves yesterday, and we managed to recover. I don't recommend that as a trading strategy. I think it was a little bit reckless myself, but here we are, right? We live to trade another day, but be a little bit more disciplined the rest of the week.
Yeah, I think sometimes you do have to be able to think on your feet, and you have to use all the experience and the knowledge that you've obtained, and the rules are there to guide you, I think. But yeah, like you said, you said it perfectly. It's not something you would want to do every single day.
No, definitely not. Just be again liquidated on his challenge accounts fast and often. But welcome to the show. I did say earlier I've got to go at 7 o'clock myself. I got to be in the Welsh capital quite early. Got got a day of meetings today, in-person meetings. So yes, need to get there bright and early. Get another coffee down myself. Wake up. But do you have any news for us this week?
Yes, there's a little bit of news. So yesterday was mainly Columbus Day. Today we have a little bit more. So
fantastic. So before you share your screen,
yep.
There we go.
Okay, here we go. So it's asking me all these permissions here. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. There we go. All right, so we have a few things today on the docket. So in the UK, we have the claimant count that's coming out at 7 a.m. If anyone who is curious and wants to know a little bit more about the claimant count, it's the change in the number of people claiming unemployment-related benefits during the previous month. So I think sometimes it's referred to as the dual. But it's government assistance or employment benefits. It gives you an idea of how many people are or have exited the labor force. Another one down here in Canada, we got some inflation data. So CPI, which is Consumer Price Index, out of Canada, 1:30 London time. And then just a few Fed speakers today in the afternoon. So Fed member, I think they pronounce it Daly, and then Kugler speaking at 4:30 and 6 p.m. And then lastly, we have New Zealand CPI. Those are the main headlines. I do like to check this other site just for it sometimes will capture some of the other items like the bond auctions. So Forex Factory is great for major headlines, and sometimes it doesn't flag the bond auction. So there are some bond auctions at 4:30 this afternoon, and that sometimes can move markets as well. One other one is the Fed balance sheet. Federal budget balance. That's also coming out at 7. That's it.
Oh, that's great. No, thanks, Mandela. It's really useful to know, especially for people trading into the US Open and people trading the London Open with the UK news as well. So it's good to hear. So for myself, potentially seeing a buy opportunity. We've bounced nicely off a support level. But for myself, that trade was just a little bit too early to take. I know somebody, one of my colleagues shall speak. They've taken the trade they're already in. For myself, I'm gonna wait. We can see here the buys come in. Yeah, we bounced quite nicely off this level here. For myself, just I'm looking for the break above the Heikin-Ashi. I'm gonna follow the rules today. We're going to go 1-to-1, and we're hoping to get a buy-in before 7 a.m. Hopefully we can get that trade going. So yeah, I'm looking for a break here. So probably looking at an entry around, let me think, 26.61 for myself. So yeah, we might see a little retest around here, and then we got what I always say, we got some wiggle room, right? We got a bit of breathing space for the price to move, but I'm not going to jump in yet. But got my target and stop loss in place, and I'll add the gun box in if we take the trade. So a little bit of patience this morning for myself. But if you're just looking, I just got it empty for open. We've had a nice break through the Asian low after the first 6 30-minute candles, and for those people who do like to use the RSI, it dropped down into about 10 about 30 minutes ago. It's just having a nice rebound on the RSI as well. So I'm just looking at the Forex chart as well. Got that open on the M30. We seem to be having a little bit of a push up. So I'm watching both charts. But for myself, I'm looking for a break and open above here.
Very nice, very nice. There is a quote. I need to get the right name of the person, but it says it's better to wait for the party to start to make sure that you're at the right party. And that's paraphrasing. So essentially, what it's saying is like you just explained, Andrew. Sometimes it's better to see the uptrend confirmed than to just jump in head first and catch a falling knife, and it's actually still partly you're still in the downtrend.
Yeah, no, definitely agree. And yeah, we have had a I suppose strong bullish confirmation there, but I'd like to see the price break. But back to parties, I would just say to anyone watching, if you drink enough, any party's the right party, right?
That is true. That is true. It was. I think it was more related to. I think that the original was baseball, and the baseball said it's better to wait for the second innings to make sure that the game has started, or something like that.
Yeah, no, that makes total sense. But yeah, and as you can see now, we're just getting a retest off that level there. So yeah, I'm looking for a breakthrough that I can actually point to the trade. So just watching on the other chart. So yeah, the good friend, trading colleague, they've actually gone long on Forex. They just dropped me a message now. So yeah, I'm just watching the price of the charts. So yeah.
Yeah. So I have an interesting thought here, Andrew. If we were to apply what happened on Friday and what happened on Monday, where there was a bit of a stop run before the move,
yeah,
that would mean that we could drop, maybe we drop through that support, that low of the day, and maybe go through it by 5 points.
Yeah, agreed.
And then reverse higher. If that was to be, a repeated pattern.
Yeah, and pattern recognition is definitely important in trading, right? What I will do later on is we'll log out onto the chart what we've seen. We'll on the next sell opportunity, if we are close to that supply level, we'll see if we see it again.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, so that caught me twice, Friday and yesterday. But yeah, at the moment, I'm looking to go long, but just haven't got the opportunity yet. The worry would be is if the price just smashes through that high key, and then the opportunities we miss the opportunities. It's too late. So yeah, here we go. One second, just need to write it.
Yeah, no problem. I do want to just give a shout out to TopStep. TopStep is the firm that Andrew is working with, and from what I've seen, they've been extremely helpful in providing an excellent brokerage and prop firm service.
Yeah, they've been really good. Also, they have something called TopStep TV, which you can tune in. It's around 2 p.m. UK time, maybe a bit later. And they actually have the top traders trading live on the channel. And I know a lot of
We need to get you on there. We need to get you on there, Andrew.
Yeah, I'm not in the top million yet. So one day, who knows? Yeah, we got some people trading live accounts for TopStep, and they trade in big figures as well. So yeah, if anyone is watching and if they got time, go over to Twitter or X and search at TopStep TV. You can actually follow those guys, and yeah, they're live every day.
I'm gonna check it out. I'm definitely gonna check it out.
So yeah, with the price, we seem to be continuing that upward momentum, and potentially I might be entering on the next candle. So just over 3 minutes, we could be going long.
Okay. You sound like a bit like a pilot. In about 3 minutes, we're going to be landing at our destination. It's kind of like it's taking off, really. More like taking off. Yeah.
Destination take profit. Or we might just miss the runway and hit on stop.
No. It could be maybe a little bit of turbulence. Minimal turbulence.
There's definitely turbulence, right? But yeah, this shows the in-flight service, and it's A-class,
That's it.
Top, top-notch service.
Yeah. It's a party. It's going to be a party on board.
So, so I'm probably going to take this now in T-minus 2 minutes. We will be arriving at the destination. So please fasten your seatbelts. Please read the safety card at the front of your seat. Please have your chairs in the upright position. Thank you very much.
I feel like you've done this before. Like either you've done it somewhere.
I've caught so many flights in the last 2 years. My air miles pretty good, right? So well, we just got to talk while we wait for the price. I potentially don't have a flight coming up, so I'm hoping to get myself out to Almaty, Kazakhstan in the next week or two.
So that'd be nice. So what happens with the show? What happens with the show at that point?
I think you're going to take over around 2 p.m.
Yes. A little bit later.
Yeah, so I won't be trading futures while I'm out in Kazakhstan. I think they're 5 or 6 hours ahead.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So potentially, we could do the show. It'd be around. What's this? No, it'd be around midday. I won't be able to. But
yeah, that's fine. I can carry it for the time being. You're going for about 2 weeks or something like that?
Yeah, hopefully around 2 weeks. Yeah, I've got some stuff.
Okay.
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, that's fine.
Anyone's watching, Kazakhstan, amazing place, amazing people, good food, good welcome in Almaty, real trendy cosmopolitan city. Weather's fantastic. So in the summer, we're looking at the late 30s. And then in the winter, it's cold, right? You're looking at minus 5, minus 10, snow on the ground. Yeah, amazing place. So I will say I'm thankful about the opportunity to go to Kazakhstan, and I would actually go there on vacation. It's that good. Make sure you get a nice hotel, rooftop pool and stuff. And I would definitely recommend it. So anyone watching, if you're looking for somewhere to go that's different, I recommend Almaty, Kazakhstan for a nice little city break. Yeah,
I'd like to go as well. I'd like to do a trip over there. It sounds beautiful.
Different, right? It's safe. It's really a nice place. Okay, so I haven't got the break yet. So I'm undecided what to do on this trade. I might take this trade just because I feel a little bit of pressure for the time. And we can see we've got this trend line here. We haven't broke it yet. I'm expecting us to. I'm on the fence what to do here. So I don't know, we might just go for a crash landing now.
Oh boy, that doesn't sound good.
Doesn't sound good, to brace yourselves, right? Brace. And I know the lingo too much, right?
Yeah. Hopefully you haven't had to do that, really.
No, so the worst flight I've had was from UK into Madrid, and we had a side wind, and we literally come in on the runway, and we were literally on the wing. It was that much of a side wind.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. That's probably the most nervous I've been in. Was it 2 hours over to Madrid? And that's probably the first time I've ever been worried on a plane. But well done to the pilot. He managed it well, but it was what a side wind, and it was quite scary.
Yeah, I could see that being and it's once you're fully down on the ground, you really appreciate pilots. Appreciate being safe.
The cabin crew were wondering why I was kissing my hands and touching the floor. I was never. But good airport. Madrid is a big airport as well. We're trying to catch a connecting flight. So due to stop off in Madrid as well. I'd like to go and visit the Bernabeu and places like that. So it'd be fantastic.
Well, that would be nice. Yeah.
So this trade, what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to go long on the next candle. We're testing this level here. We've got a trend line formed, which I can see us breaking. So wouldn't mind a little confirmation of the break of the trend line. And
it looks good.
But just saying what you're saying, we're testing around here. We could see this push down, retest this level before we get that upward move. So it might be a better opportunity to enter. So yeah, we're just going to be a little bit patient. I got about 8 minutes left. What I might do is I'll just put myself on mute to let the stream run. Get showered and changed for work, and then probably come back here. I need to check the train times as well. So need to be at the station nice and early. Can't go missing my train today.
No. You gotta be, you're jumping off in about 8 minutes, right?
Yeah, around 8 minutes. Yeah, maybe 7:05. I'd like to get this trade, but yeah, I can't hang around this morning. I have to be on time. Do you miss the commute? I bet you do, right?
Yeah, I do.
I bet you do.
Yeah, it's different over here. It's more like an adventure. You have a lot more things to consider. Yeah.
Because you're new, right? Still in the honeymoon period of the UK.
That's it.
It's till November and the nights are dark, it's freezing cold.
Yeah. We're not there yet. We're not there.
If I had a choice, trading from the cold, dark UK or sunny Bermuda, I know where I'd be. But,
yeah.
I suppose you'll appreciate it when you go home, right? Appreciate it.
I will. And it's nice to have a change up sometimes. It's nice to do something different instead of the same thing over and over.
I will say London's got a different vibe from the rest of the UK. There's something about London town. When you get off a train in Paddington or say Pancras, it's just got this vibe of the city about it, and it's hard to explain. But I found New York's the same as well.
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah, I think it's just the hustle and bustle right of the UK's capital, and lots going on, lots to do, and lots to see in London town. Believe it or not, there's so much history there, right? There's lots to do.
Yeah, I haven't even scratched the surface.
Yeah, you're proper Londoner, that's why, right? You got all this stuff around you.
I don't want to do it.
All these tourists doing.
Yeah.
That'll be me now. When I come up to see you, I'll be like Joey from Friends, London, baby.
I remember that.
Yeah, so I'm quite glad I didn't jump in this buy actually. So we got to pull back here. So I'm looking for a break this. I'm also looking for a break of this trend line before I go long. So yeah, we missed a good move up here. We're on the next candle. I'm still not going to jump in, not yet.
It almost looks like it's not ready to pop higher, but I don't know.
In two minds, right? But trigger fingers itching to go, right? But so far so good. Good discipline, Andrew. Well done.
Good discipline. Very good discipline.
Pat on the back.
I think I'm looking at it on a 1 minute. Do you ever look at it on a 1 minute?
Yeah, if you look on the 1 minute, I think it's broke, right? Where are we on the 1 minute? So yeah, we've had the break on the 1 minute. Retested. Yeah, so if you trade the 1 minute, same theory applies, right? And you would have had a nice opportunity. So let's have a quick look here. You would have entered around here.
That would have been the short.
You would have taken the short, yeah. And it would have been a winning trade. And for the buy, you would have taken around here. So yeah, we've got to about 50% in profit level, but I like to use 5 minutes. I'll say stronger the time frame, better the signal, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Stronger the confirmation of the price.
Yeah, agreed.
So sometimes I like to drop into the M30. Like I said, I got the M30 open on the Forex chart, which I'm looking at. And yeah, so we got a bit of wiggle room on the M30 as well, where we could test the 2645 on the Forex. There is a difference in price between Forex and futures. I'm looking at it's about 10 points, 10 pips, right? Not 10 pips, 100 points. Yeah, so showing 2640 on the Forex, and yeah, so we got a difference in the price. But the thing with the Forex, due to the spread, sometimes I find the price is a little bit more manipulated on Forex than what I do, on the live futures.
Yeah, I've noticed that as well.
So I pay my subs to TradingView. Yeah, if I don't pay them enough, I'll have to pay this little green dot. But it is what it is. I suppose that's the price of admission, right?
Yeah. It's not free. It's not free to play.
No, it's not free to play. But yeah, so
looks like it's moving a little bit.
Yeah, we just got a bit of consolidation around from the price here, so a bit undecided. So yeah, I agree with you. Hindsight, we could see a retest of this demand level, support level here.
If I'm a big bank or a big hedge fund and I wanna take some stop losses with me, I wanna go long. I need a lot of sellers. I think there's going to be a lot down there at that low that we hit. That's been the pattern for the previous 2 trading sessions.
Yeah, I'm hoping the banks will be asleep this time. Get to sleep, banks.
I was thinking yesterday, I was like, so are we traders? Are we investors? And it's for me, it's better to think of us, or for me to think of myself as like I am a business owner and I'm running this fund.
You just took the words out of my mouth. That's where I was looking at it. So I'm a business owner, and I start the day with a business with 50k business.
Yes.
And then I hit a stop loss, and then I take an expense, right? So it's a closing expense, food expense, fuel expense. That's the way I look at it. Then my business I take a sell here, my business makes a profit.
Yes.
I have to pay myself a little percentage, and then I'm back to the 50k business, right?
That's it.
And
exactly right. Exactly.
Yeah, that's how I look at it. So I write loss on the chart. I should write expense. I need to get in that habit. Probably need to print that off and put it up in front of me.
Yeah, it's so important the way that we speak to ourselves, and that feeling when you have taken an expense. It's not a good feeling. Especially if for whatever reason you've changed your rules, or there were things that you could have done differently. So if you're able to be positive about it, that helps you in the long run. Don't beat yourself up as well.
So for myself, stocks or expenses, they're part of trading, right? You have to accept that, and I think I said last week as well, it doesn't matter how many accounts we burn through or I go through. I know potentially the opportunities that this offers, so we just keep going, right? And we're breaking through that trend line now, and let me have a quick look. I'm probably going to take this trade. Here we go. Flags in just above the high key. I haven't broken above it, but I'm quite mindful this candle might be a large push through. So I got 5 minutes left, so I'm going to take this trade. Yeah, we're quite close. I'm 2 minds here what to do. You know what? I'm going to wait for the next candle. I'm going to follow the rules. And if it pushes through, price pushes through quite high, I'll just have to miss the trade for today. But yeah, I'm in 2 minds what to do.
You got 3 minutes. Is it 3 minutes left or just over 3 minutes left on the 5 minute candle?
Yeah, just over 3 minutes. So we'll wait for the next candle. We'll probably get an entry around here, I would have thought. So we've got a nice target level as well. Just at the VWAP level from yesterday's session. So we'll have a look at that. If this candle pushes through too much, we're going to miss the trade, and it's going to be no trade for today. But yeah, quite mindful of the time. So
yeah, I think the name of the game is follow the rules and trust the process for the most part.
Yeah, you got to trust the process. We've seen through back testing, we are quite favourable.
Yes.
Yes, I'm just mindful of this trend line here. But this could be good. Yeah, you can see the price is pushing back down. So yeah, quite glad I didn't jump in too soon.
Yeah, patience pays. That's right.
Zoom in a little bit so I can see better. So we're looking around. Yeah, I'm just putting a little indicator in so I can see a little bit better. So yeah, I'm looking to get an entry around here. Mark that. So yeah, just under 2 minutes, and yeah, we will take the next trade.
Yeah, it looks like it's holding. Looks like it's holding up.
Pushing a little bit too high for my liking, but hopefully we can get that down when it comes back down. So. Yes, we've got a break of the trend line here. Just got a minute to go. So yeah, I think I'll go long on the next trade, next candle.
Okay. Yeah, this one looks like it wants to break higher.
So we'll just move back.
What's the price on your chart, on that chart that you got, the futures? The corn price?
2659.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, I think on the Forex about 2645 or something. So
yep, that's right. That's what I'm looking at. That's why I asked.
Yeah, we get you watch the price. It won't stick to 100 points, 100 pips. It'll vary. So yeah, we are beginning to push through.
Yeah.
I'm hoping for it to pull back a little bit for me, and then we're going to take the next trade.
Do you usually enter a market order, or do you usually do a limit, or
just enter the market price?
Okay.
Yeah, so we've got 10 seconds to go.
Yep.
Probably going to pull back on the next candle, but yeah, I'm going to take this trade. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're in.
Nice. I feel like we should have some sound effect when you enter. I think there's a sound effect when you get a notification.
Yeah, I'll pop over the top steps here. The price is pushing back, but we are in about here. What we'll do is we just drop the gun in here. And what we're looking to do is, if we get the price up to this 0.87, we'll move that stop into break even.
Would you leave this in as your, because I know you do have you do have to pop off in a minute. You'll let this run with the stop loss in place.
Yeah, so we'll let this run, and thanks for reminding me. I'm gonna put myself on mute and I'm gonna get ready. Right, I'll drop you a message on lunch later. I'll catch up with you this afternoon.
Yeah, that sounds good. All right.
Happy to stay on if you like, but
yeah, I might stay on for another 5 minutes. Yeah.
Excellent. Thanks, Mandela. I'll catch you later.
Andrew. Safe travels. Okay, bye. All right. So in the trade, very exciting. So not going to really comment much on the trade Andrew is in, but thought I'd try and have a look at what news is out there. Any news headlines, anything that we should be aware of going into this Tuesday, 15th of October, very briefly, before I do jump off. And it's just an opportunity to get everyone prepared for the day. Usually we just cover the upcoming data, as it presents itself on the economic calendar. But I don't think there's any reason why we can't start introducing things like a little bit of the headline news from the previous day, maybe a little bit of news from overnight, things that have moved the markets and things that may be impactful for our trading. So let's start off. Let's see. Okay, so I just gotta figure this out. Okay, let's see what's moved markets over the evening period. Be nice if I had everything set up. Let's see. All right. So I I had this master plan. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, so yesterday, S&P 500 added 0.8%. And we also had an all-time high push for the NASDAQ. Shares of companies exposed to AI technologies, including chipmaker NVIDIA and Vistra, helped to drive the strong performance. As one of the losers yesterday, one of the red trades or red stocks, CrowdStrike moved lower, reversing some of the gains posted last week after the cybersecurity stock appeared on a list of the top software picks. So it's been a clear trend over the last few days where we've seen a lot of strength. So stocks in S&P 500, which is more broad-based, also in the NASDAQ and in the Dow Jones, all saw good strength yesterday. So it was 0.8% up for S&P yesterday, moved to an all-time high for a second straight day and a second straight record close. Also, Dow was up 0.5%, closing at 43,000 for the first time ever. And the NASDAQ also gained 0.9%. I'm trying to see if there was any other major news. What I might do just lastly before I do have to jump off and start getting things ready for the day is I'm going to have a quick look at my emails, and there may be some information in there. Let's see. All right, here's a little bit here. So it looks like Google is investing in development of the next generation of nuclear power, backing a company that's building small modular reactors and agreeing to purchase energy once the site starts supplying. So possible move here by Google, looking to enter an agreement, or has actually signed an agreement with Kairos Power. That's Kairos Power, to construct a series of nuclear reactors. So that's an interesting development, especially for those who are looking for carbon-free electricity and looking for interesting plays to get involved in. Also, SpaceX did it was a cool sort of catching of a rocket ship. For anybody who has seen that, the videos are online. I think that's it for today. Next time I will definitely have the news lined up a little bit better. We're trying to refine what we do, always improve in what we do. Let's have a quick look at Andrew's chart here. Looks like it's looking good. So I'm gonna pop off, and until next time, everybody have a great day. Thank you for your time and attention. Let's see how this trade unfolds. Happy trading, everybody.
So good morning. Yeah, I'm back, but I gotta leave my train now. So I'm in at 2660. Just gonna quickly show you on top step. So here we are. We're minus $40. We did get a push up here. I've got my stop loss on 30 points off 300 pips here on gold. And what I'm gonna do is I do need to leave in 14 minutes. So I'm just going to watch the trade here with you guys. Then I'll end the stream. I'm just going to let the trade run. So I prefer to use trade in view. So I'm just going to quickly swap back to trade in view. And yeah, I'm going to let the trade run for 14 minutes. Then I'll end the stream. And I need to go and jump on a train. So I will say, if I don't say goodbye later, I'll say thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna let the stream run for another 14 minutes, and then I'll end it because I need to go. Yes, you can see an accurate markup on TradingView where we're at. So we entered at 26660 on top step X. So I've just marked it up on the TradingView chart. Yeah, got 11 minutes before I need to end the stream. But yeah, hoping we can get a move and I can get a stop loss to break even before I go. Yeah, so we're still floating around our entry price. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make a move in a couple of minutes. So I'll be ending the stream, but I'm gonna let the trade run and we can review that tomorrow morning. So yeah, just let it run for another 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna have to make a move. But yeah, I'm gonna let this trade in, and you can see on the trading view. So here's our entry. We got our take profit and our stop loss. And I'll quickly flick back and forward top step X before I go, just to show you where we're at. So yeah, we were 160 in profit at the moment, 180, 200, very nice. 240, yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, let's get that push up. I'd like to get this stop to break even up before I leave. So yeah, just got 7 minutes to go. So I'm actually going to leave it on the top step chart. You can actually see the trade running live. We can just see from yesterday, yeah, we started off horrendous day. Yeah, we managed to catch it back. Seems to get a bit of a price move now. Hopefully we can get that up to 450 and I can get this stock to break even. Okay, I need to leave, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put my stop to a break even, and at least I can relax a little bit on the train. So thanks for watching. We currently got 220 in profit. I'll move that stop into a break even position, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.